Here is Ring Alarm Home Security Kit, and this is an 8-piece kit. So I'm gonna unbox and show you guys how it looks like. Let me show you guys around the box here. Alright, now let me show you guys everything in the box. Alright, let's open it. Let's see what's in the box, guys. Alright, always home. So this is the box here for the memory book and guidebook. Here is the base station for the alarm. Let me show you guys the back of it. So here's the back. There is the internet port and USB port. And then the power port here. Alright guys. Here's the keypad right here. Looks cool. Nice. Alright. Let me take it out. Alright guys, so here's the back of the keypad. There is the charger port to plug in to charge it. And yeah guys, there you guys have it. Now let me show you guys accessories and stuff. Alright guys, so here's the accessories. Let me lift this. Alright guys, so here's the range extender, the flea contact sensors. Here's the motion detector. Here is the power supply for the base station. And then here's the keypad adapter. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys the other stuff. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here's one of the contact sensors for the windows and doors. Here is the LED for the light. Here is the back of the contact sensor. It has 2 tapes so it can stick on your door. And here's the other plastic, you take it out so it works. So here is the power supply for the base station. So it comes with the power adapter and the brick, and also internet cable if you want to use it as internet or wireless. Alright, so let me take this out. So here's the internet cable. Okay, so here's the cable for the base station. That's how it looks like. And yeah guys, now I'll show you guys the keypad stuff. Alright, here is the keypad adapter. Alright. There is the cable and the power brick. Let me take this stuff out. Alright guys, so here's the cable. Alright, here's the cable. Here's the screws if you want to mount the plate for the keypad. And here's the adapter for it. Guys, so here is the range extender. Let's open it and see how it looks like. So it's right here. Let me go take it out. Here it is guys, this is how it looks like. And here's the back. Guys, so here's the motion sensor detector. There it is in the box. That's how it looks like. Let me take it out so you can show you guys the back. Alright guys, so here's the back. There's the 4 tapes. And there's the plastic thing you have to take out so it can work. And now I will show you guys the setup. Alright guys, so there is the base station is hooked up, is powered on, and that's how it looks like. Let me show you guys the back when it's on. Alright guys, so there's the Wi-Fi and the power. So everything's green, it's all connected. And here's the pair button when you guys open the app to repair it. And that's it guys, that's how it looks like. Let me show you guys the other stuff. Alright guys, so there it is. The keypads are set up. I had to plug in for the first time for 2 hours to charge it. And it goes on like this. By nighttime, the whole screen will light up. And all the buttons will light up. It's so cool and nice. So there you guys have it. There's the keypad. Alright guys, so there is the sensor for the door. It's all set up. And the light is green. That means it's connected to the base station. So it's working. And yeah, so I got 4 of these sensors. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys the other stuff. Here is the ring extender. It's plugged in. And it's working, it's connected, it's green. And there you guys have it, there it is. Alright guys, so here is the ring motion detector. It's on the wall, and when you move or wave at it, it flashes green. So if you guys enjoyed the video of the unboxing, drop a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.